What is good, everyone? Welcome back to Umami Hunter. I'm Zach. I am headed to Pier 47 by the Fisherman's Wharf area today. Going to buy me some super fresh crab right from the fishermen's on the boat. Heard they have about 800 pounds of crab, so there should be plenty to go around. But before I head down there, decided to stop by, play a little tourist. Haven't seen Lombard Street for quite some time, and I saw a parking space, which is extremely rare. Down this alleyway, which is 𝐒𝐻𝐫𝐢𝐻𝐚𝐴 Way, there's these fishing boats where you can buy fresh fish, fresh crabs right from the fishermen. And what do you know? It is Dungeness crab season, the most wonderful time of the year. This is truly sea to table. There's absolutely nothing better than buying it right from the source. So let's go get some. Alright, we're going to take a look at the haul here. 4 2-pound crabs. I'm going to try and get them out if I can. Put them into the bucket. This one has one in a face crush here. I don't know if I want to take my chances getting pinched here. Before I head home and start cooking, I want to show you one of my favorite arcade places in the city. It is a little bit tucked away, but it has all the old games from the Cliff House, which is out by Ocean Beach. It's a nostalgic arcade. Old school games from the 80s and 90s, and even some of the mechanical type of games from the 20s, 30s. I don't know, maybe even further back than that. The Laughing Lady. Alright, Laughing Sal. Oh my gosh, she used to freak me out when I was a kid. Because when she's on, she go for old time's sakes. No less freaky than it was when I was a kid. You really can't find places like this anymore. I mean, these are relics. Pretty cool. Look at this. Yeah, you could easily spend about an hour in there. Gotta get yourself a roll of quarters and yeah, you're good. Back at home and I'm gonna get cooking. This time around, I am going to make the crab steamed with garlic, soy, oil, ginger, and green onion. Last time, I made the crab with a sake and beer boil. And if you missed out on how to make the Asian sauce, or you want to learn how to make the sake and beer boil crab, use the link in the description below to check out that episode. Let's get cooking. sorry.
It tastes disgusting.
I'm sorry. I personally leave on the bits of crab butter because I like that flavor. It brings some more richness to the crab. But, you know, some people take it off, to each their own, but I like to keep it on. Initially, I'm gonna put some garlic, ginger, and I drizzled sesame oil on top. So later, after it's done, I'm gonna get the soy sauce, the hot oil, and the onions and top it off. Crab smells amazing. That crab butter is perfect. The aroma from the ginger and garlic right when you take the top off just hits you. We went from this before to after. Poured the hot oil with the soy sauce and then topped it off with 4 spoons of the special Asian sauce. The aroma coming off of this, I am drooling right now. And I'm gonna start out with a body here. Oh man, hopefully you can see that. It is glistening. The soy, the oil, the ginger, the garlic, the green onion. All right. Oh my goodness. Holy wow. It's packed with flavor. Wow. I did not expect that. I did not expect that at all. Oh my gosh. I've done it in a similar way with blue crabs in the past. And the blue crabs, it seems a little bit easy. I guess because they're so small. Once you top it, it just goes right into the meat. Because the body section is basically the main part of those blue crabs. But these Dungeness crabs, oh hi. With these Dungeness crabs, that's the important part, to smash the shell with the top of the butcher knife so that all the juices go right into the crevices and flavor that meat. Oh man, yeah. That is sweet meat right there. And you're gonna dip it, get back into the sauce a little bit. That's all you need. I know the question comes up, can you taste the difference between the crab that you get in the market and the crab that you get right off the boat like this? The answer is, hell yeah. When you think about it, the crabs that are in the store have been in the tank, and that water is basically filtered. They've got a filter to give them air, oxygen, but that water is still the same. Whereas you get it fresh off the boat, it's gone from sea to table. Straight from the source, straight from the ocean. It tastes very, very sweet and so pure. Night and day difference. One of these days I'm going to try and do a catch and cook. But in the meantime, if anybody has any recipes that you recommend, feel free to pop it in the comments below, because I'm always looking for new ways to cook Dungeness crab. As always, appreciate you watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, peace, grub, and happiness to you all. I'll see you soon.